Hello everybody. Our subject is real and hypothetical conditionals. First of all, we are going to study real conditionals, type 0 and type 1, first conditional. And then we will go on with the unreal, second conditional. Please have a look at the structures now. Finally, we will focus on some alternatives to if structure used instead of if. These are unless, providing, provided that, on condition that, as long as, for a real conditional, and unreal conditional can be used with suppose, supposing, imagine, or let's say. Let's start with real conditionals. We use zero conditional when something is always or generally true. We use both simple present and simple present in if clause or condition clause and for the result clause. For the first real conditional, we use it when something is likely to happen in the future as a result of a possible action. It is not always true. It is dependent on a certain condition. We use if and present simple for the condition, and we use will plus infinitive form of the verb for the result clause. Look at the examples now. If they have time, they always meet for dinner. It is zero conditional with present and present tense because it is always true. If they have time, they will meet for dinner. It's different this time. It's first conditional and it is not always true. It is possible under a certain condition. If he feels tired after work, he goes to the park to relax. Zero conditional, which is always true. And if he feels tired after work, he will go to the park to relax. It is possible only under a certain and specific condition. Next, let's go with second unreal conditional. It is used when something is imaginative, not real, unlikely, or dream. This time, we use if with simple past, and in the result clause we have to use would plus infinitive form of the verb. So, let's see what Jane imagines about some situations, what her dreams are. Look at the pictures now. Be careful, they are not real. They are still hypothetical. They are her dreams, imagination. If I had a chance, I would open an online business. If I was or were rich, I would travel abroad. Be careful. Both was and were is possible for I in conditionals, and were is more formal and acceptable. If I earned enough money, I would go shopping with my friends. If I wasn't or weren't busy, I would start playing tennis. Now we have a similar activity for more practice. Look at his dreams and set your own sentences. The question is, what would you do if you won the lottery? It is again second conditional. Some possible answers are, if I were rich, I would buy a luxury car. If I had a lot of money, I would or could live in a big house. If I won the lottery, I would give a big party. Note that we might change the order in the sentence, but be careful. If clause should always be followed with past. The final subject is some alternatives to if. Please follow the page. Unless can be used for if not, with the meaning of if not. I will arrive at 9 unless the train is late. We will have picnic unless it rains. If it doesn't rain. With real conditional, to mean if or only if, we use the following structures: providing, provided that, on condition that, as long as, which is less formal. I'll get a university degree providing, or on condition that, or as long as I pass all the final exams. With unreal conditional, we mean if by using suppose, supposing, imagine, and let's say. Let's say is less formal. Suppose you won the lottery, or imagine you won the lottery, or let's say you won the lottery. What would you do? Imaginative conditional. Note the other possible alternatives, as instead of will, we can also use going to, can, could, may, might, or should, depending on the meaning. Or for second unreal conditional, instead of would, we can also use could, might, should, depending on the meaning again, with infinitive form. Now, let's practice with this exercise and check your answers in the next page. Finally, you can answer the speaking questions with if clauses in detail. A company seeks young entrepreneurs online. They ask you some questions before you apply. Be careful about the structures. Which type are they asked? And answer them in detail. For further practice, please complete the given exercises. That's all for now. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.